Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to fix Life360 when it's not updating your location. First of all, check the internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the proper internet and stable internet. If not, Wi-Fi is not working, switch to the mobile data and turn on location services. Go to your phone settings and go to the privacy and location service. Find the Life360 and set to always allow with precise location enabled, and that's what keeps update the accurate. And another step is to enable background app refresh. Still not working, head to the settings and go to the background app refresh. Sort your background app refresh and make sure it's turned on. This lets the app refresh your location even when you are not using it. And step 4 is to restart and update the app. If updates are still slow, restart your phone and check the App Store or Google Play Store. I'll simply open the Google Play Store and search for the Life360 application and make sure it is up to date to the latest version. And that's it. Now your Life360 should update smoothly. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comment if you want more Life360 tips, and I'll see you in the next one.